Don't miss this vehicle. Make a great choice today with this must-have ride. Learn more about this vehicle by contacting the dealership today and complete your driving dreams. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power lift gate, remote keyless entry, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel drive, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.